We're starting a new chapter now, and we're going to take a look at external references, or XREFs as they're sometimes known. We've got a new couple of drawings for you to open this time around. We've got the new office proposal.dwg file and the landscaping area.dwg file. Make sure you've got both of those drawings downloaded from the library and open in AutoCAD. We're going to go to the new office proposal tab here first of all. And what we're going to do, we're going to add an external reference file to our existing host drawing. Now it's a bit like paper clipping two paper drawings on top of each other so that you can get data from both drawings at the same time. The good thing about XREFs though is they allow somebody to work on the reference drawing and collaborate with you. So they can be working on that separate drawing while you're working on the existing host drawing. So let's take a look at attaching the landscaping area. Go to the Insert tab on the ribbon, and you can see with the reference panel here, we've got various tools available. Click on this little arrow here, and that will open up the External References palette. You can see your drawing that is open at the moment here, New Office Proposal. Now, you can reference a drawing that you've got open. So you'll notice we've got the landscaping area open. I'm going to click on the flyout here to attach a file. And I'm going to attach a DWG. You can, I'll just click on cancel there for a moment, attach other types of files as external references as well. But we want a DWG. So we need our landscaping area, that one there. Click on open. And as you can see, we now get various bits of functionality here that we need to apply, various scales, path types, and so on. Now the scale, leave specify on screen unticked and leave X, Y, and Z at 1. Insertion point, unticked, X, Y, and Z 0. Path type will be relative. You can have the full path, locating the XREF wherever it is, or no path. You need relative path, and AutoCAD will then assume that your XREF file is in the same folder as your host drawing file. Rotation will be 0, and this will be an attachment reference type. Don't worry about overlay reference types. This is just going to be an attachment. Click on OK, and you'll see that that is now attached to the side of the building. You can now close the External References palette by clicking on the cross. Now we've got the XREF, the external reference file, attached to our new office proposal drawing. So if I click on it now, you'll see it goes blue and it brings up the External Reference Contextual ribbon tab. You can see we've got various tools there. We'll be looking at some of those as we work through this chapter. Just hit escape a couple of times to deselect the attached XREF file.